So this is the bathroom that we're going to be painting. And as you see, there's been a lot of discoloration right there on the vinyl or whatever this material is. And we're thinking it was the cleaning products that we use. So probably no bleach on this kind of floor, but it's so nasty looking. The floor is in otherwise good condition, but we just want to paint it so it looks beautiful. So the first step is you want to clean it up really, really good. We've swept this floor, we've vacuumed this floor, and we've mopped the floor. And we're gonna let it dry, and then we'll start the painting process. As you can see, my husband has already taped around the floor and toilets and everything, so we'll get started painting. The brand of paint we're using is Valspar. It's a satin for interior and exterior. It goes on porches, floors, and patios. It is a latex paint, and it is in the color gray. It does look like that. So let's get started, guys. Tools that you are going to need. You're going to need a paint tray. I'm using a roller brush for the big spaces, and for the tight corners, I'm just going to be able to use a little hand brush. I believe it's 2 inches or so, and that's all you'll need. All right, so hubby has started to paint, and as you can see, there's 2 ways that you can go about it. The first way is just to paint all the major spots and then come back and do the outline or the edges, which my husband is doing. Or you can start with the edges and then do the big spots. So this is the process. You just paint the floor, and you can see that ugly spot is already gone. This is already self-soothing, guys. All right, guys, so this is pretty much the finished product. This is the second coat that went on, and it's dried. So now we just got to take all the tape off, and she's going to be good to go. It's cured enough time, and that is exactly how you paint a vinyl floor. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this content that I've provided today. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the rest of my content, please consider subscribing. So thanks, guys. Love ya.